Hey there, mystical souls. Ever wondered how to sprinkle a bit of magic into your everyday life? I'm here to guide you through the basics of becoming a white witch. Let's unlock the everyday magic around us with simple spells, rituals, and tips. First things first, let's talk about magical tools. A beginner's toolkit can be super simple. You'll need a wand, an athame or ritual knife, some candles and crystals. These items help you focus your intent and channel your energy. Now let's dive into spells. One of the easiest spells for beginners is a protection spell. Light a white candle, sprinkle some salt in a circle around it, and visualize a protective shield around you. Say, I am safe, I am protected. Feel the energy wrapping around you. Next up, rituals. A great beginner ritual is the moon bath. On the night of a full moon, fill a bowl with water and place it outside to soak up the moon's energy. Use this charged water to cleanse your crystals or even sprinkle a bit around your home for good vibes. Remember, intention is everything in magic. Focus your mind, believe in your power, and let the universe work with you. And there you have it, a sneak peek into the enchanting world of everyday magic. Read more about spells in the comments section below. Until next time, stay magical.